We'll guide you through how to boost your Gumroad earnings with the latest strategies and tools available. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to the Gumroad website. Then log into your account. Once you're in, head to the dashboard where you can see all your products. To maximize earnings, you need to focus on optimizing your product listings. Click on one of your products to edit it. Make sure the title is catchy and descriptive, as this is the first thing potential buyers will see. Next, scroll down to the description section and enhance it by clearly outlining the benefits and features of your product. Include testimonials or reviews if you have them, as social proof can significantly increase conversions. You also want to set up tiered pricing if applicable, which allows customers to choose a package that best suits their needs and budget. This can be done by clicking on the Pricing tab and adding different pricing tiers. Now, head over to the Analytics section on your dashboard. This is where you can track which of your marketing efforts are driving the most traffic and sales. Use this data to tweak your marketing strategies. Consider creating discount codes for new customers or for special occasions, which can be a great way to incentivize purchases. You can do this by going to the Coupons section and creating a new coupon. Finally, ensure you're promoting your products through multiple channels. Share your product links on social media, collaborate with influencers, and leverage email marketing to reach a wider audience. Consistent engagement with your audience is key. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.